another video of Smashy Roll. I know this is the first video, but see how this goes and then see how fun. I played this before, so I know what I'm doing, and yeah, let's go. Oopsies. Yeah, I did not mean to do that. Because this thing's so stupid. Go to epic, legendary. Let's play as this one. And let's ride. I know this is quite laggy, but it's just because my internet. But guys, oops. See, guys, what I mean. I would stay in the middle of the road, but you get more money because there's more money in the middle of the road. See? And I'll explain the game to you. So you just have to survive as the longest car you can do, but see, those won't explode, but you do not want to touch those, but it's fun if you want to. See, I'm stuck. I can't get out, so it's busted. So I lose my score, but see, my score is 64, so let's see. What do I get? Ooh! Okay. It's not too bad. I'll just try to win a car then. Okay. What do we get? See what we get. Oh, a rare. Oh, we already have it. Let's spin again. Let's see what we get. Oh, we never got this. Okay. Let's try this car. What is this? This car is weird, guys. Oh, wow. What? Well, I got busted near money. Wow, did you see that, guys? Did you see that? Bro, that sucks. Oh, you almost flipped me over again. Whoa. Even trucks can flip you over. No. No! The car police broke. We got busted again. We were driving on our side, but that was cool. Snapchat. Just kidding. Picture. Yeah, this is free on the App Store. And so you can guys play it. No! Ah! This game's so frustrating. It's easy, you just have to click the right and left. You can hold it, but I wouldn't do that. What's up, guys? Oh! See what I mean? See what I mean, guys? Happens like that. My highest score was 1,683. Yeah, that's a lot. And that was from the truck that we were playing with earlier, the bulldozer. I think what it was. No, stop, please. See, there's money. I Need to collect money. That's the whole object of the game and have fun. So it's what it's about. Oh, black spike, black spike. No. Oh, back up, back up. Go. Yes. I made the car, please. Yes. See, when you get the 3 stars, it has more powerful trucks than the other police cars. See, like that. But I'm gonna switch to the bulldozer, I think. No, it's the flipper, I mean. The flipper. So yeah. Oh no! Well, that was not a good ending. Sorry about the ads, but that's the only thing that I think matters. Yeah. No! Oh my gosh, guys. Did I just really run into that bell? Well, I think... No! Ugh. Dude, why do I keep on clicking left? I'm supposed to go straight. Okay, finally. Ouch. Money. Annoying. Oh, no! No! Well, I think that's all for today, guys. So, bye!